More support for the current PNP president, Dr. Peter Phillips, from high-ranking members of the party. There are concerns that Dr. Phillips cannot lead the PNP to victory when the next general election is called. In explaining his reason for challenging the PNP president, Central Manchester MP Peter Bunting told his supporters at a divisional meeting on Sunday that he's just answering a call. But for PNP Vice President Philip Paulwell and MP for South East St. Anne Lisa Hanna, Dr. Phillips' leadership is sound.
We are a better team than the JLP. And if we all approach it that way, as we did in 2002, remember that, where as a better team we went out there and won. And so it shouldn't be dependent on the leader alone to win. We have work to do, and we have to go out there and do it. And I am committed to doing the work, and I'm also committed to victory under Peter Phillips' leadership.
It's not Dr. Phillips by himself. There are several of us that bring our talents to the table. There are several things that go into winning an election. And from what we have seen over the past 2 years, since Dr. Phillips' ascension to party leader, he has been the architect of renewal. He has brought in several young, dynamic candidates, Zuleika Jess, Dr. Shane Alexis, Dr. Andre Horton.